Hello friends, today I am going to show you the easiest way of using layout for municipal submission drawing. As you can see, I have a municipal submission drawing is ready here. I created this drawing in model space to the scale. Let me show you my units. You and enter. You will see my units are set in meters. Okay, now let's start. First, we have to create the actual paper size. In my case, I have used a A2 paper. Okay, now enter the command REC and enter. Enter the dimensions of A2 size, that is 0.594 by 0.420 mm. Now our sheet is ready. Let's scale it to the 100. Type scale, select our rectangle and scale it to the 100. Now our sheet is ready to 1:100 scale. Now that is the actual paper size we created. Let's add side margins on each side. From top and bottom side, give margin of 1 meter, and from both sides give margin of 0.5 meter. Now draw a rectangle at intersection points. Let me highlight this. Now keep in mind, you have to draw in this highlighted rectangle only. That means in paper space. I have already created layout, but we are not going to use that. Let's create new. Right click and add new layout. Now on paper, you will see a viewport. Delete that. Now go to the layout tab and page setup, and then click modify. Now in printer, select DWG to PDF.pcd. Go to the paper size, select ISO, expand it to 594 by 420. Now go to the scale, set 1 mm is equal to 0.1 unit, and in plot area select the layout, click OK and close. Now go to the viewports, select rectangular. You can draw a viewport like this, or there is a smart way to draw a viewport. Just select the viewport and press F and enter. Now double click inside the paper space, press Z enter and select our drawing. Now come here at bottom. Here you can see scales. Click on that and select 1:1. And near scale there is a lock symbol. Click on that to lock our viewport scale. Now let's confirm the scale by measuring. Okay, that's correct. That is the easiest and simplest method I just shown you. Any doubts? Comment below. Thanks for watching.